Hi, this is the second movie for Excel, Chapter 8, Pause and Practice number 3. We're picking up on step number 6, where you have to install the analysis Toolpak. So in order to do that, you do that like you did the solver. You go to File, Options, Add-ins, and then you want to find the analysis Toolpak, right? And add it in. So you're going to do Go, and then so we'll do Go. And you want to pick Analysis Toolpak. And okay, I already had mine loaded, so it's already there. Okay, so step 6 is all about putting in the Analysis Toolpak. So you have this analysis tab on the data, on the data tab, the analysis group now has solver and data analysis. So we're going to calculate descriptive statistics for a data range. So this is pretty cool. You're going to get a whole bunch of statistics on a data item. In this case, it's going to be on sold. So we want to select the Product 101 sheet and then click the Data Analysis button, and then we're going to pick Data Analysis. We want to choose Descriptive Statistics, and then OK. Then it's going to ask us what our input range is. So we're going to select B4 through, I picked A there. We're going to do, get rid of that, B4 through B28. So the sold column, verify that columns, so we're grouping by columns. And then we want the label is in the first row, right? So sold is not a data item, but rather a label. So you want to make sure that that is selected. Then we want to put an output range. So we're going to click on output range. We're going to click on this box that's going to allow us to select a cell, and we're going to select E4. So E4. I did E4 twice now. Okay, so let's see. So we have our output range. Now we have to decide what kind of statistics we want. We want summary, and then in the kth largest, so that's saying what largest grouping you want, like you want the third largest, the fifth largest. We're going to do 3. And then we don't care about smallest, so we're going to go ahead and do OK. Then we want to auto-fit E, and look at the statistics that we got from that. So we got our mean of all the sold, the standard error, right? The median, the mode, most occurring thing, our standard deviation, variance, and on and on and on. So all in that little thing, we got all of this. So, and here's that kth one we had. So the third largest sold was 15. Okay, so if we were to sort these, the third largest amount was 15. So we have a 24 and a 20, and then we have 15 as the next third one down. So very good. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is calculate a moving average for a data range. So we're going to go to the same thing. We're going to be on this. We're going to come to data analysis. And see, this is like a whole pack of stuff. So we're going to do a moving average. Look, you can do a histogram, you can do a regression, all kinds of things here. So let's go ahead and do moving average. It's going to be B5 through B28. So this time I'm only doing the numbers, right? I didn't include. If I had included, though, I would want to include the little box that says labels. But in this case, I'm not. I'm just just the numbers. In the interval, we want to type 3. So that's going to group cells into an average of 3. The output range is going to be, oh my gosh, email's blowing up. Output range is E21. And we want to do a chart output. Okay, so what happened was we get the numbers for the moving average and we get the little chart. So now what we want to do is just size the chart. So we're going to go G21 and then let's scroll over a little bit, P42. And so you can see in this moving average chart you have two things. One is an actual and then another is a forecast. All right. So we could spend quite a bit of time looking at what do these analysis tools mean, but that would be a completely different class. My hope for this is that you just are aware that these data analysis tools exist, and so then if you have to do, a regression, or you have to do correlation or a t-test or any of these type of things that you... Okay, so this is the end of what you have to submit for Pause and Practice 8. And the rest of this you are not required to go through. Okay, thank you.